Cruise ship entertainers are responsible for providing live performances and activities to entertain passengers during their voyage. They may be singers, dancers, comedians, magicians, musicians, or all-round entertainers hosting quizzes, games, and themed nights. Their job is to create a fun and engaging atmosphere, ensuring guests have an enjoyable experience on board. Entertainers often work as part of a team, performing in theaters, lounges, or on deck, and may also interact with passengers off stage to enhance the cruise experience. Entry-level entertainers can earn between £18,000 and £25,000 per year, while more experienced performers can make £30,000 or more. Headline acts and well-known performers may earn significantly higher wages. As the job includes free accommodation, meals, and travel, entertainers often save a large portion of their earnings. Contracts typically last several months, and wages can fluctuate depending on the length and type of contract. Performers typically need experience in their chosen field, whether that's singing, dancing, acting, or comedy. Many have formal training, such as a degree or diploma in performing arts, music, or theater, but talent and experience are just as important. Auditions are usually required to secure a role, and strong stage presence, confidence, and the ability to engage a crowd are essential. Some cruise lines also look for entertainers with additional skills, such as hosting events, leading workshops, or speaking multiple languages.